The vitamins and the minerals are needed to our body. Our body is repeatedly regenerating. The skin, muscle, bone and everything is repeatedly regenerating. Day-to-day activities, our body meeting to an immense amount of stresses. So there are a high demand of essential nutrients, which is minerals and nutrition to the body. There are two ways that we can get these minerals and the nutrition and the vitamins to the body. One is we're taking from orally. For the foods and vegetables as well as the pills, syrup and tablets, we can take these vitamins through our mouth, which is take the oral route of taking vitamins. But there is another best route of taking vitamins, which is essential in the essential doses or even in the higher doses, which is called the intravenous injection of vitamins or the intravenous infusion of vitamins. What we do is we inject through the drip the vitamins to our body through the vein. But it is more better than the oral vitamin therapy. If you're taking the oral vitamin therapy, it goes through our gut and the liver, and the most amount of these vitamins are digested and destroyed through our digestive tract. But if we take these vitamins through our intravenous route, there are 100% of all these vitamins and the nutrients and the minerals can be absorbed to the relevant organs and the structures. The intravenous vitamin therapy is the most effective and efficient way to get the vitamins and minerals to our body. So what are the benefits of this intravenous vitamin therapy? Number one is maintaining the general well-being, which is the physical well-being as well as the mental well-being. It enhances our body metabolic rate, and it helps to maintain the day-to-day metabolic activities. And also it helps to reduce the stress levels and the anxiety. There are several benefits of this intravenous vitamin therapy. The one is the maintaining the general well-being. This general well-being is not only for the physical well-being, so the physical and the mental well-being. It improves the energy level and improves the alertness of the memory, and it enhances the other body metabolic activities, which also keep you healthy and fit to do your day-to-day activities. And also, if you are recovering from some disease like a chronic disease, or you are coming home after the hospitalization, these vitamin therapy make your recovery more faster and more quicker. Actually, this is not a new concept. This was started by Dr. John Mayers in 1950. What he do is he started some cocktails of vitamins and minerals and injected to the people who are having the chronic disease like asthma, the migraine, fibromyalgia, chronic muscle pain or chronic fatigue syndrome, like that, and they improve their health conditions and they improve their diseases after this vitamin therapy. That's how it evolves from a very early stages. When considering the health and beauty, we know our skin, hair and the nails are repeatedly regenerating. So these vitamins, which is given from the intravenous access, is directly go to these structures, to the skin, hair and nail, which improves the healthiness and its rejuvenation ability. If you're an athlete or if you're a person going to a gym every day, there are a lot of exhaustion in your muscles and your body as well as your joint. So this chronic fatigability can be easily treated with this intravenous vitamin therapy. Let's see how this procedure starts. When somebody comes to us considering this intravenous vitamin therapy, first we go through his clinical history of what type of work he do and what type of diseases he have and what type of medication he has. Is there any allergies? Going through this medical history, we check his blood pressure, pulse rate and the oxygen saturation, and these are medical parameters, and then we decide what type of nutrition protocol that this person is benefited for. So considering the side effects of this intravenous drip therapy, most of the people always asking what are the side effects. The side effects can be, there can be a small pain and stinginess on the injection site, and sometimes you may feel a bit of a warm feeling during the drip going on, and other than that there is no major side effects associated with this intravenous vitamin therapy. Very rarely the people can develop allergic reactions, but before, when you're taking your medical history and consultation, we take all these precautions and we ask for about their allergic history, and we take precautions too in that case. Considering about the frequency of this vitamin therapy, actually it can be introduced to an adult person, I would say about more than 18 years, and anybody can get the treatment for general well-being, or if you are recovering from any disease in between this age, from 18 to whatever the age, you can get this drip therapy done. Considering the pregnancy and lactation, we are not advocate the people who are pregnant to get the vitamin drip treatment, but if you are postpartum, it means you have deliver your baby after 3 months, you can get the vitamin drip to get your general well-being improved. So a lot of people may have the question of how frequent we need to get this treatment done. So if you are recovering from any disease and you are taking this treatment for in the convalescent state or the recovering state, I recommend to get in every week for about a month and then delay for about every month. Or if you are taking from the general well-being, what we recommend is get the drip depending on your situation in every month or every 6 weeks, maintain your general well-being and health.
So we are inserting the cannula now to start the IV line. The drip which contains the vitamins, and there are different kinds of drips with different combinations of vitamins which we can deliver according to the requirements. And this drip will goes around 45 minutes to 1 hour, and while on the drip we closely monitor clients' parameters like blood pressure, pulse rate and saturation. And so this particular drip we are using today is mainly to rejuvenate the body, and plus it will help you to maintain the general well-being.
දැන් මම හිතන ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පේනවා ඇති මේ විටමින් ඩ්‍රිප් එක මට කනෙක්ට් කරලා තියෙන්නේ ස්ලෝලි මුල් විනාඩි 10 වගේ ඇතුළත කාලය තුන ස්ලෝලි අපි ඩ්‍රිප් එක තමයි යවන්නේ මොන රියැක්ෂන් එකක් ආවොත් එහෙම නැත්නම් ඇලර්ජික් රියැක්ෂන් එකක් ආවොත් ඒක අපිට නෝටිස් කරගන්න වෙලාව තියෙනවා මේ ඩ්‍රිප් එක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් විනාඩි 45ක් විතර කාලයක් යනවා දැන් ඇත්තටම මම ඉතින් විනාඩි 10ක් විතර දැන් ගිහින් තියෙනවා මට කිසිම අපහසුතාවයක් දැනෙන්නේ නැහැ කැමරා එක දාන සයිඩ් එකෙත් දාන වෙලාවට පොඩි වේදනාවක් දැනනට දැන් මොනවත් මට දැනෙන්නේ නැහැ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් විශේෂයෙන් කියලා මට කිසිම දෙයක් දැනෙන්නේ නැහැ මට පේන ඕගොල්ලන්ට පේන ඇති ඩ්‍රිප් එක ගමන් කරනවා ඉතින් ඒක කිසිම දැනීමක් නැහැ මේ අවස්ථාවේ